Hey, we're in the Hummer. Meet my uncle, Travis again. There's brunch. Oh, there's that. Never mind. Oh, branch is gone. It's not there anymore.
Who is that?
I'm just recording. Hummer EV. Not EV, but hey. You got pretty much zero padding. About.
Ow!
Hey, hey.
Oh, you just... We got lots of souvenirs.
Okay, that's actually fun.
We got lots of souvenirs.
Definitely. Ow.
Ow, dude.
You might just want to stay right here anyways.
I'm just gonna stay right here. Oh my!
Hey, hey, hey. I got one leg actually holding me up. And then I got this one right here. Hey, back on the road. This is there's a no door. There's a door. Somewhat door.
Someone.
Somewhat of a door. Is that heaters? Oh.
It's more like holders.
No, that's AC.
More like holders, not heaters. Holders.
I don't have AC. It's here.
See, it's holders.
The heater?
It's holders.
Yeah.
It's holders.
Makes sense now.
And heaters.
It's not holding. Feel it now? It's kind of, it's a little bit. It's not holding. Hummer. That's a big rock.
Very big.
Here's the
That's a
house.
little pond.
And there's the house. Oh, we're going this way? Where?
Yay! I want to try. Oh, we're going.
Today?
I know where we're going.
No, the other cars. What?
We're
Don't turn it
going-
off.
We're
For
going,
what?
We're going like out here.
Oh!
Yeah!
Never mind, I'm not turning this thing off. Hold on. About to be really exciting. More than last time. Time to go off-roading. Yeah, yeah.
Oh no! There's a big rock.
It's a Hummer.
And it's also lifted, so yeah, we're good.
Oh yeah.
What kind of drop is that?
Oh!
Sorry for the turbulence. Ow.
Ow! Totally ow. So this.
I don't think we're trapped in this gully.
Oh gosh. Oh. Oh.
Oh. We're not.
Sorry for the turbulence again. Whoa, it's a house being built. Something.
It's a store.
Let's shop. Oh, okay.
A house is gonna be built out here.
Going back. Whoa.
What?
Ah!
Water.
Whoa. Wait, is it raining? It's sprinkling.
Somewhat of
It's raining.
somewhat.
kinda wish I had like a GoPro or something. A GoPro strap. And a GoPro. Ooh,
Oh, splash!
not really.
Or not.
Rocks. You want splash? I'll give you a splash.
No, please, no. I do not want to be in there right now.
What do you mean? What do you mean?
I mean, nothing. I mean,
What do you
We're going back downhill.
What do you mean? Oh no. No.
Why did we go back in a circle?
you'll see.
Oh! Did you see that?
Oh!
Oh! Oh!
Yeah, you don't want to. You don't want to run into that.
What's it like a little car?
Yeah, you don't want to run into that.
What's a little car? Oh, I gotta.
That's what we just went through.
And again.
And again, boys.
Oh. Ow.
There's actual things.
Oh, Dad, beat the horn. Beat the horn. Beep.
Oh, it's not.
Now beep it. Beep it. Beep the horn.
Hold on. What? That's supposed to be loud.
I know.
Well, the fluids doesn't work anymore.
Fluids right now?
I don't know.
Well,
May have.
I guess we're gonna.
I mean, you could use rainwater.
Uh,
Somewhat.